Endagamuntu z'Abannayuganda butuukidde olwaleero ng'ezisinga zaggwako dda wabula nga gavumenti ezeeyongezaayo ebbanga ery'okuzizza obuggya olw'ensonga ezitali zimu. Kaweefube w'okuzizza obuggya yali wakutandika mu mwezi gw'omusanvu omwaka oguwedde era nga ne Paalamenti yali eyisizza ensimbi okumaliriza omulimu guno, wabula kati bongezzaayo omwaka mulamba. Bw'abadde asomera Paalamenti alipoota General David Muhoozi, minisita omubeezi ow'ensonga z'omunda mu ggwanga, ategeeza nti kaweefube w'okuzza obuggya Endagamuntu zino yali wakutandika mwaka guwedde wabula baafuna okusoomoozebwa olw'ebyuma okujja ekikeerezi. Ono agamba bwe twogera buli kimu bakirina nga mu bbanga lya mwaka gumu Endagamuntu zijja kuba zikolebwako.
In recognition of the need for immediate intervention, in August last year, the Ministry issued the Registration of Persons Amendment Regulations number 67 of 2024, which extended the validity period of all national identification cards issued by NIRA by 1 additional year. This was in light of the planned mass enrollment which had delayed, so we wanted a stopgap measure.
Wabula ababaka balaze obutali bumativu olwa minisitule eno okukwata ensonga eno n'akasoobo kuba Paalamenti yayisa ensimbi ze baasaba era ne zibaweebwa.
Money purposes of NIRA carrying out a mass enrollment or renewal. In the statement of the minister, it is lacking how far they have gone and when we are expecting that mass enrollment or mass renewal. Remember, it was first scheduled for July, and then it was extended for January, this January. As we talk now, there is no clear program. And
different government agencies' failure to work together to come up with solutions for our people. For example, Right Honourable Speaker, we have just had a census conducted by UBOS. Now we have registration being done by NIRA. Then the Electoral Commission is also updating the register, the voters register. If all those agencies could come together and we have the same information, because we are talking about the same people, same Ugandans, we wouldn't be having so many challenges.
Banira basabye gavumenti okukomya okuteekawo emyaka emitono Endagamuntu zino we ziggwerako kuba kirabika gavumenti tesobola kumalako na myaka 10 gyokka.
Right Honourable Speaker, expiry dates are set by the minister. In fact, section 69 that you quoted is the one that gives you the mandate to set expiry dates. And I don't know your justification for setting 10 years. You did talk about wear and tear and the rest. NIRA by nature should be in position to provide continuous registration services without necessarily setting expiry dates.
Banira basabye gavumenti okubayambako mu bbanga lye bagenda okumala nga bakozesa Endagamuntu ezaggwako kuba basumbuizibwa naddala mu kiseera ky'okufuluma eggwanga nga kw'otadde n'okufuna ebbaluwa z'obuzaale z'abaana baabwe.
It is good that at least this national ID is still very operational internally. But when you go to scan it for other purposes of other travel documents, the scanning detects the expiry and therefore it cannot be scanned.
Many parents have been denied birth certificates for their children because their national IDs, their NIN numbers are expired. So you cannot obtain or get birth certificates for the child. So my request is, this issue should be prioritized for renewal and issuance of new national IDs.
Minisita mu kwanukula ababaka bategeeza nti ensonga zaabwe zonna zijja kukolebwako era neeyama nti kino ekyatuuseewo tekijja kuddamu kubaawo.
We think this will be the last time that this is happening. And I want to allay the fears of members. We shall start mass enrollment before the 1-year extension expires. The failure to register, that is an administrative issue which we can review. It's not cast in stone, and I think we can look at it and then take action.